Merry Christmas! How's your day going? Every day we spend our time sleeping, talking, and doing things. According to Japanese study, we should get at least 7 hours of sleep each night. And we say anywhere from 7,000 to 20,000 words a day. That's like filling 10 to 30 pages of A4 paper. Have you ever stopped to think about how many things you do every day and how many of those things do you enjoy? What about the thing you want to do but never seem to have time for? Hi everyone, I'm Philip, and today we are wrapping up our series on the summary of 100 time management book. In this final episode, we will dive into the key takeaway on how to make the most of the time you spend doing things. To help you remember and apply these principles in your daily life, I've summarized them into 6 key points, all starting with letter E. 1. Establish a schedule. Plan out your day, ideally the night before. Having a schedule can boost your motivation and prevent you from wasting time deciding what to do next. Research shows that people are less likely to take action without a deadline. Remember Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time available. 2. Expedite small tasks. Start with tasks that can be completed in 2 to 10 minutes. This creates a sense of accomplishment and momentum. If you don't tackle these small tasks immediately, they will pile up. 3. Expect clarity. Just like when you order food at a restaurant, it's important to confirm what you are getting. In the workplace, people often complain about not getting recognized for their hard work. To avoid this, clarify expectations with your boss or clients. Understand what they need and what they consider a successful outcome. 4. Embrace good enough. Aim for 80% completion. Once you have reached that point, check in with your boss or colleague to ensure you are on the right track. Perfectionism can be a major time waster. 5. Enjoy the process. Spending time on things you love can boost your motivation and improve your mental health. 6. Efficiently tackle tasks. When you think of something you need to do, don't procrastinate. The best time to start is now. That's it for today's episode. I hope you found these tips helpful. To wrap things up, I would like to quote Peter Drucker. Treat your time as your most precious resource. Avoid wasting it, and continually learn and reflect to improve your contribution to your work. Focus your energies on the areas that have the greatest impact. If you enjoy our podcast, please subscribe and share it with others. Thanks for listening, and I will see you next time.